Welcome to The Future Files, where we unravel the mysteries of tomorrow's world. In today's episode, we embark on a thrilling journey into the future of communication. Join me as we explore groundbreaking advancements like 6G networks, holographic telepresence, and augmented reality interfaces that will revolutionize the way we connect and communicate with one another. Get ready to dive into a world where distance is no longer a barrier and immersive experiences are just a touch away. Segment 1. The Evolution of Connectivity. Our journey begins with a glimpse into the evolution of connectivity. We have come a long way from the days of dial-up internet to the era of 5G networks. But what lies beyond? Enter 6G, the next generation of wireless communication. With lightning-fast speeds, ultra-low latency, and seamless connectivity, 6G networks will pave the way for a multitude of transformative applications. Segment 2. Holographic telepresence, breaking the boundaries of space and time. Imagine a world where you can interact with someone on the other side of the globe as if they were right in front of you. Holographic telepresence is set to make this a reality. Through advanced projection techniques and real-time data transmission, we will be able to communicate with lifelike 3D holograms, creating immersive experiences that bridge the gap between physical and virtual presence. Segment 3. Augmented Reality, enhancing our everyday lives. Augmented reality, AR, is set to revolutionize the way we perceive and interact with our surroundings. With AR interfaces seamlessly integrated into our daily lives, we will have access to real-time information, interactive experiences, and enhanced communication capabilities. From virtual shopping to immersive educational tools, AR will unlock a world of possibilities. Segment 4. Security and privacy in the digital age. As communication technologies evolve, ensuring security and privacy becomes paramount. We must address the challenges posed by increased connectivity and data sharing. Robust encryption, advanced authentication methods, and strict privacy frameworks will be essential to safeguarding our digital interactions and personal information in this interconnected world. Segment 5. The Socioeconomic Impact. The future of communication not only reshapes the way we connect but also has profound socioeconomic implications. From bridging the digital divide and enabling remote work to transforming industries like healthcare and entertainment, these advancements will reshape our societies and redefine the way we live and work. Our journey into the future of communication has shown us the remarkable advancements that await us. From 6G networks to holographic telepresence and augmented reality interfaces, we are on the cusp of a communication revolution. Remember, the power to connect and communicate is in our hands, and as these technologies unfold, let us embrace the opportunities they bring while remaining mindful of the ethical considerations that arise. Thank you for joining us today on The Future Files, as we explored the exciting world of future communication technologies. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating content on the future of science and technology. Your support encourages us to continue uncovering the wonders that lie ahead.